Guys, today we got something really interesting for Bitcoin because Bitcoin just broke out of this massive triangle and the target for Bitcoin on this breakout is actually way above the orange box right here. So we are going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the situation for Ethereum right now. We're talking about some altcoins and we're talking about much more than that also. So welcome back everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Guys, let's talk about Bitcoin because what you can see is that yesterday we did make a nice little push here towards the orange box at $63,000, but we got rejected. We got rejected and found support above the orange line here at 61,100. So far, everything is going well. I mean, we're reclaiming these levels, and now, of course, we were not able to break through the orange box here on this particular try, but I do believe that we are going to break through it eventually. You can see that we are definitely in a nice little uptrend here. We are making higher lows, we're making higher highs as well. So this is, if we continue here, of course, going to take us above the orange box at $63,000, which is the important level to break through. But there is one thing to pay attention to here for Bitcoin, and that is that this head and shoulders pattern we were talking about. And yeah, if you've been following my recent videos, I did warn you about the head and shoulders here, and that usually on this exact date in this phase of the bull cycle, we do see multiple fake outs from an head and shoulders pattern right around these dates. And yeah, it seems like this was also a fake out here, but this has now transitioned into a big breakout out of this triangle, because if you connect some of the highs here, you can see that yes, indeed, we did break through it and we are retesting the previous resistance here now as support. So that's very cool. And the target of this triangle is, of course, way above the all-time high and also above the orange box here. So that is something very bullish looking for Bitcoin here. I'm going to keep you updated regarding that. So for Ethereum, congratulations again. We made a new all-time high for Ethereum yesterday. And I mean, we broke through the orange line, and this was the previous all-time high here at 4,365. And then we went up actually yesterday to my orange line at 4,455. And I don't even remember why I put this orange line here, because this orange line here has been here for like forever. I mean, when Ethereum was at these price levels right here, this orange line was still here. So this is probably a Fibonacci level of some sorts. But I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, we went up to the exact same dollar level here at the orange line. We got rejected, and now we're struggling with getting above the orange line here for Ethereum. But I am bullish on Ethereum. I do believe we are going to break through these levels eventually. One thing I do need to do though is I need to sit down and figure out the next levels of resistance for Ethereum, because as you know, this was the last orange line I had put, because I put these lines on the Ethereum chart when Ethereum was very low here, and now we have broken through all of them. Not broken through the last one here, but of course when we break through this, you will want to know about the next level of resistance. So I'm going to figure that out. Guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I will probably post it on Twitter first before I post it on YouTube. One thing I also want to talk about is an options trade I entered into. As you do remember, or if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, I believe, I did talk about some options and how it works here. And I entered into a options trade here. And how this works is, this is on the Delta exchange, by the way, which I am an affiliate of. This is a great exchange, but you can see I got a Bitcoin call at a $65,000 strike price, with the strike date being the last of December this year. So basically what this means is that if Bitcoin is above $65,000 on this date, the last of December, I'm going to get the difference. So if Bitcoin is at $70,000, well, the strike price is $65,000. That means I'm getting $5,000 in profit if I would have bought, one full Bitcoin worth of contracts here. But I only have 0.135 Bitcoin worth of contracts. but that's fine. I'm going to just, it just scales down depending on the size of your position, of course. So how much did I pay for this? Well, the price right now, you can go up to the Delta exchange, you select the dates here. I had the last of December, as you can see, and then I have the calls here to the left, and then I have the strike price at $65,000. You can see that in order for you to get that option, the market price is right now 7,431, which is not bad when I compare it to, you know, some of the other exchanges also offering options. So basically, if I were to buy one full Bitcoin, I would want the price to be at $65,000 plus what I paid for the options. So in that case, $72,000. So everything above $72,000 is going to be pure profit, you know, at that strike date if the Bitcoin price goes there. So why would you enter into an options contract? Well, because if Bitcoin goes down, I mean, compared to just buying Bitcoin or having perpetuals, of course, you are able to get liquidated and you are able to, you know, have increased losses compared to options, because with options you just buy the thing, in this case 7,422, and then if Bitcoin goes to zero, well, everything you're going to lose is what you paid for the options, in this case 7,429, but you have basically unlimited upside depending on where the Bitcoin price is at that specific date. So I hope that that is going to be a good explanation. If you want to use options yourself, you are of course able to get a nice bonus here over on the Delta exchange, up to $30,000 in trading bonuses here. Of course, there are terms and conditions, so make sure to read through them here, but you will find the link in the description. And the exchange also has an exchange token, just like I said. The exchange tokens offer you rebates on the trading fees. And also, if you hold 2,500 DITO in Delta account in the exchange for more than 24 hours, well, then you are also going to get 0 fees on your withdrawals. You are able to pay 25% of the trading fees in DITO. And the market cap of this token is currently $12 million. So it's still a small, you know, token. So if you think that the exchange is going to be very successful, of course, this could be something to consider here as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.